Taoist view of the energy body, which is basically a sphere. Okay, so even though we have a body that doesn't look like a sphere, okay, but the Taoist view of manifestation is that it's three nested spheres, okay, and each sphere has more and more yuan chi, more and more original energy, or we could say more and more pure love, okay. All right, so the deepest sphere of our energy body is what's called primordial heaven. Other traditions might call that God or source, okay, or non-dual. So at the deepest spiritual dimension inside of us is this primordial heaven. Okay, and that heaven gives birth to another heaven, which is another sphere. And now that sphere, it becomes more defined. The Taoists call it formless form. The primordial heaven they call formless formless. And this is one of the issues for us as souls, that if we start to enter that formless formless, we can't stay together. We just dissolve into the formless. I mean, it's for most of us at our current level of consciousness, when we approach that level of vibration, we just dissolve. Okay, it's formless. Okay. So for most of us that will have an experience of those deeper dimensions, that is what we call early heaven, which is where our soul hangs out. This is most of the work that we're going to be doing on this level. Okay. Formless form. In other words, within early heaven is all the shapes, is all the possibility of what can come out and manifest here in this dimension, which we call later heaven, which is this physical dimension. Okay. Every human being has primordial heaven at their core. They have early heaven at a slightly slower vibration, and then you finally reach this physical dimension of the form, what we can see.